Welcome to Central Station. It's the hub of railway services in New South Wales. This station connects you to the city trains, to regional New South Wales centres, along with interstate trains to Melbourne, Canberra, Brisbane and Perth via Adelaide. Now, this station does connect many of our students to a lot of the universities where they are studying. As you enter, there are very large boards which display all the train timings, telling you exactly which platform to go to and at what time, and how much time you have before you can actually run and catch your train. Welcome to Strathfield. You need to exit towards Strathfield Square from Strathfield Station to come towards Unique Education and Migration Services office. Once you walk out, you will see the square in front of you, and the office is towards your left side. So you turn left and you start walking towards the taxi stand, and past the taxi stand you will come across the office board, Unique Education and Migration Services, which should take you up the stairs to 206. That's where we are located, and you will be able to meet our team inside.